Okay, this is today's video about list leverage, and to show you what happens overnight with the list leverage system. I've had 3 more leads overnight, which is very useful. My Click Cash, which is the part of list leverage where you get paid for sending emails out to your list that contain a link, and when that link is clicked on, but the person who's clicking on the link doesn't want to go any further, then you know full well that you'll get paid Click Cash. Now, this is the start of my 3rd month with list leverage, and I've got to be honest, having been sceptical in the past about it and wondering if it would actually do the job, this is by far and away the easiest way that I've ever built a list. I have 159 leads that are on my list with Sendcharm Autoresponder, and if you're looking for a way to build your list virally and very quickly, then it's really good and it works well. So the leads that come into my system come from Traffic Authority, and they also come from other areas of free advertising that is proven to get leads into the system, and they will be documented on my blog at davehayes.co. So if you think this video has been of use and you want to get your own list leverage system, I would highly recommend it. And what you need to do is simply click on the link beneath this video, give this video a like, give it a comment, and hit the bell button so you get notified of all the videos that get uploaded to my channel. But that's today's current situation with list leverage. Thanks for watching.